Good morning everyone. I hope you all are well, and in this video I'm going to break down what's going on market and how we can plan the trades according to this market. So let's get begin. In daily time frame we can see in BTC break these levels and you can see the liquidity sweeps of this level. So BTC currently in the daily time frame we can see the market is bearish, but we can see the consolidated levels right now in daily time frame, and we can see the breakup structure of these zones. So this was the demand level, and you can see even 4 hour this was also the demand level, where you can see this this is the demand levels. So so market went upside from here. I was already told about that. So market went upside from this level. I was targeting this level or these supply zones, but it doesn't happen like this. So it's liquidity sweeps of this level, this equal high sweeps, then it's directly went upside to downside. So, and it even broke this demand level. Now what we can see market liquidity sweeps, and you can see market went upside after liquidity sweeps, and we can see this is the supply levels. And we can see after break of the market, because of market is bearish, and you can see the loss of liquidity is downside also. So what we can do right now, so if we have any if we had any opportunity here, this is the supply level, especially in 4 hour time frame, and we can see any breakup structure of downside in lower time frame, we will definitely go downside. This is for BTC especially right now. And if market doesn't go like this, if market break these levels and do some higher stuffs, then we are gonna do some retracement and do some like higher highs, then we are gonna plan to go upside. But right now, according to conditions, I am more bearish than bullish. So this is for BTC. Let's see what's happened. Let's talk about Ethereum. What's going on Ethereum in weekly time frames, just like BTC, we can see the breakup structure, and we can see the daily demand level where market went upside, and we can see the lots of mess. Even the breakup structure is done, but market went upside here. You can see what was happening. So I was planning from here, so market break these levels. I was planning for here because this is the level, this is the recent demand zone if we find any opportunity. But market tapped this level, but it even confirms, but market casually like 1 or 2 taps and it creates liquidity, then it directly went down. And you can see the Ethereum copy the BTC. So this is as like this. Now it creates the extreme demands point in Ethereum. You can see in BTC there is no demand level, but Ethereum we can see this is the demand level. So if market right now in these supply levels, market is still in supply level. If market like break this level, we're gonna be bullish. But as like BTC I said, Ethereum copies BTC. So we can, if we find any opportunity to go downside, then we're gonna plan in Ethereum that too because of BTC. Okay, this is for Ethereum. Let's talk about gold. What's going on gold? In daily time frame we can see market went upside to this demand level. In daily time frame we can see in 4 hour time frame market is creating market went upside and market creating high rise, but it doesn't break any supply levels, especially these supply levels. Okay, this is the main supply levels. If it break these levels, like, then we can see market is bullish. But right now we can see market is just performing, creating a pattern. So what we can see in short time frame we can go a counter trend to hunt all those liquidities and target these supply levels. So I was waiting for this level. Okay, this level is mitigated. You can see this is 1 hour demand zone which is mitigated. But if we see in shorter time frame, like, yes, obviously higher time frame is really great, but like let me show you great. We can see the breakup structure of this level in shorter time frame. Okay, in shorter time frame, in 1 hour we can see this is the demand level where market upside, and this is mitigated zone. When this mitigated zone this steps and go again it went upside, and we can see this is a recent demand zone where market went upside right now. If you are in trade, then that's good, but these moves happen in this morning, especially in Indian time, this morning. So I was sleeping, so I didn't take this trade because I never मैंने limit order भी नहीं लगाया था because this is not the extreme zone. In 15 minutes you can see this is the extreme zone, even though 1 hour we can see this is the whole level, but this is the extreme zone and this is the recent zone. This is the recent zone. So I was thinking if market went this level, then I'm gonna buy, but market went upside and not like कि इसने कोई रिट्रेस वगैरह नहीं किया या confirm नहीं दिया. You can see this is the confirmations in 5-minute time frame, and it's a really good confirmations if you can see. So this is gold is doing right now. So what for right now, market went upside from this level, so you can see this demand zone is not valid right now. So what we can see, this is a current demand level, like recent demand level, like this is okay, this is the current level. If market went like this and come here, do some retracement in shorter time, then we're gonna definitely buy. But what we can see now, this is the it's becoming a liquidities, so we have to confirm the zone. If there is no confirmation, then I'm not gonna buy any of these levels. So this is the extreme level where I'm gonna buy or limit these levels. So if this happens, then it's good, then otherwise I'm gonna just ignore and I'm gonna wait for this supply level hits, and after supply levels hit, I'm gonna wait for retrace in downside or whatever breakup structure in downside. Then we're gonna plan to hunt all those liquidities in downside after confirmation. Okay, this is must. This is for gold right now. What's going on CU? What's going on CU? If we see in daily time frame, we can see market went upside from this level, lots of liquidities. In 4-hour time frame, we can see this is whole zone is liquidity pools, but if we ignore these zones, like if we ignore, now let's see this, now let's ignore these moves. So we can see the breakup structure of these zones. I was waiting for like this higher highs, so now this we can see this is the range. Just I would like to, if market sweeps all those liquidities in downside, then then create little bit of high rise, then I'm gonna plan for buy. Otherwise I'm gonna ignore, or if it's just if it just broke these levels and do confirmations like that, then I'm gonna see the short side opportunity. I'm gonna inform you that another day, but right now I'm gonna avoid. Let's talk about US oil. What's going on US oil? I already marked these zones. In 4-hour we can see this is let me zoom this is for you. So we can see the for 4-hour, this is the whole zone. This is the extreme supply levels, and we can see lots of liquidities is even here. Okay, but what if we can see this is the liquidities of this, but we can see the breakup structure of these zones. So breakup structure of these zones, and in 1 hour time frame, okay, in 1 hour time frame, what we can see, this is the extreme supply level, not extreme, like this is a recent supply levels, we can see a very good imbalance and market going down from here. So if we find any opportunity, like I already marked these levels, so we can see the breakup structure. If it's like this, I marked these ones, okay, and if it went like this, rejecting these levels, then I'm gonna down. And if it doesn't, like if it just directly go upside and doesn't respect the zone, then I'm gonna wait for here, and after breakup structure or downside or whatever happened, then according to market, then I'm gonna, what the hell is going on, I'm gonna put my trades. So this is for US oil. Let's talk about ZJ. This is still waiting right now, not clear. It's 30. So I hope this is for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video and if you find this video is informative, then do thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.